Okay, so here's another flowchart question. This is to do with a case statement. So remember, case statements we couldn't do in Python, but we can do in Python on the new Python. I'm not going to get into too much detail, but as you know, it's like another version of a if statement of a selection. So if we're going to give this a go, pause the video, draw it how you think it's going to be drawn, and I'm going to then draw a solution. Okay. So we should have a start. That start then goes to this, error equals delta plan actual, so we know that this is a function. For a function, we know that we need to draw line here, and it's going to be, there's different ways we can do this. We can simply do this, error equals delta, and then plan, P for plan, A for actual. That's one way of doing it. Or I could do set error, so kind of like structured English, to return value of delta plan actual. So two different ways we can do it. So we're setting error to be the return value of whatever is done in delta function. So now I've done this. For a case statement, it's the same as an if in terms of the shape. Now you can write it as a question. Is error, but we're going to, is a case statement. So with an if statement, it'll be something like if x equals 4, then do this. Else if y equals 2, then do this. Blah, blah, blah. So x equals 2. Else if x equals 8. So we'd have many of these diamonds. But for a case, we just need one diamond. But that diamond will have many different outcomes. So we've got three outcomes. This outcome, this outcome, and this outcome. So if it's greater than 10, set steer to be steer minus 10. So that's a set steer, sorry about my handwriting, to steer minus 10. So I've done this one. If it's 0, set z count, so 0 count to 0 count plus 1. And finally, negative 10. We're going to have a set steer to steer plus 10. We also need an otherwise. So we've done this, we've done this, we've done this. Otherwise, output speech marks unexpected error, and then end. That says end. I can't bother to move my screen down. Okay, the case of error. So I'm basically writing in here what is here. So we've done the case statement. We should have different options based on that case statement for different values. So this is like if, elif, elif. Happy days. That'll be worth 5 marks in an exam.